So in this video we're gonna compare the IQOO 15 and the IQOO 15R. Even though there is a lot of difference between these two mobiles price ranges, but I feel they two both can be comparable because not a lot of big difference between those two mobiles. So starting with the display, the IQOO 15R mobile comes with a 6.59 inches of Full HD plus resolution, AMOLED display, and it also supports HDR10 plus and Full HD plus, and it also a 144 Hz refresh rate display. Where the IQOO 15 comes with a M14 panel, which is the latest technology of the Samsung, which we are going to see in S26 Ultra mobile also. So this is going to be a Quad HD plus resolution display, and it is going to be a 6.85 inches of a slightly bigger display than the 15R, and it is also supports 144 Hz refresh rate only in terms of games, not in terms of daily usage. When we talk about this mobile's processors, we could see a difference between these two mobiles processor. That is the IQOO 15R mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is also a octa-core 5G powerful processor, where the 15 comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is a slightly overclocked and slightly powerful processor than the 8 Gen 5. These two mobiles are available in different variants like 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512, and 16GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage variants. Now these are going to be UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. So we can expect a killer performance from these two mobiles as well. When we talk about these two mobiles cameras, here also we could see a difference. The IQOO 15R mobile comes with the just dual cameras at the back side, where we can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization and a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. But the IQOO 15 mobile comes with the triple rear cameras, where we can find a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with optical image stabilization and 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 50 megapixels of telescopic 3x zoom camera, optical zoom camera. So these are all the differences between the cameras. When it comes to the front facing selfie camera, these two comes the same 30 megapixels of selfie cameras. There's no change, and we can also observe difference in the battery section. The IQOO 15R mobile comes with a 7500 milliamps of huge battery, and it supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire only, no wireless charging. Where the IQOO 15 comes with a 7000 milliamps of battery, but it does support 100 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also supports 50 watts of wireless and reverse wireless charge also. And when we talk about these two mobiles differences, these two mobiles also comes with the same features such as the stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jacks, and also the metal frame and the front and back glasses protection. These two mobiles also comes with the same connectivity like Wi-Fi 7 tri-band supports Bluetooth 6.0 and NFC, and these two mobiles also comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. And when we also compare the box contents, these two mobiles also comes with a charger, cable, TPU case, and SIM ejector tool and quick start guides and stuff included in the box of the mobile. These two mobiles are same in that category also. So the main difference between these two mobiles is that this IQOO 15 mobile is a IP68 and 69 water and dust resistant certified, but the IQOO 15R is not, which is a cost cutting thing. And so overall these two mobiles were priced at, the IQOO 15R was priced at 44,999, almost 45,000 rupees, where the IQOO 15 was priced at 72,999, almost 73,000 rupees. So we can see a 28,000 rupees gap between these two mobiles. For these 28,000 rupees, what you are getting in IQOO 15 compared to the IQOO 15R is that a slightly bigger display with better versioning like M14 panel, and a slightly better processor and wireless charging, and also a extra camera, and also a improved we could say a best wide angle camera. So apart from these, I think if you are a gamer, you can also buy the IQOO 15R. You don't need to buy the IQOO 15 because for that 73,000 rupees price range, I feel for a gamer the IQOO 15R is enough, bro. And also these two mobiles are comes with the Origin OS, not the One Touch OS, based on Android version 16 out of the box. So you can buy that mobile IQOO 15R if you are planning to buy a gaming mobile, and you could save 28,000 rupees money also. So I have mentioned other links to buy these two mobiles in the description box down below, so you can go and buy it from there also.